This is the wonder Evangelist Ebuka Obi na Ngor-Okpala, and this is the update on the project so far. For those of you who know he be the project we see now, if you now, if you now to have found out that Zion is an unstoppable project itself. If you now go onye Ngor-Okpala shall look at if I am Just look at if I name if a manatibia on alpha 2 years ago. Now such kind of project will but in such a short time, has no fake amumako. But today it is happening. Now let me tell you, so you don't know. Evangelist Ebuka Obi deserve a award for helping to build the economy of Southeast within the past 2-3 years. What that young man has done in Southeast, the amount of money that man has injected into the Southeast economy. Figures cannot be enough. There are more than 50 2-3-3-story buildings here in this particular project. We are talking about more than 50 engineers, site engineers working in this site. Forever. Yoruba no nya Hausa no n'ime. Road ne butele eba. One supplier, 2, 10, 20 suppliers. Ụmụnne mụ na yo. Ndị niile na-agba aja eba. Ụmụnne mụ na yo. Ndị na-agba okwute. Ụmụnne mụ na yo. Ndị niile bu cement. More than how many trailers of cement people better na site here. Ana alukwo gota na agbada ahụ na awado bule elo na awasasi ụzọ. Ụmụnne mụ na yo. Roof tiles. Ụmụnne mụ na yo. Everything about toilet house, WC, shower and even in ụmụnne mụ na yo. POP cement. Ụmụnne mụ na yo. Na afia bayi esi Lagos ego anja. Ana ego na Igbo. Ọ na-aba na pocket ụmụnne mụ na yo. Planks, ashara line. Name them. Uneki ya happy be. Doors. Alumako. Alumako here cannot be more than 30, 40 to 50 people. Alumako here. Yes, I did an toilet. And I look close to 1,000 units of toilets. If any now blocks. Do you know how many thousand blocks is going at this site? If any na pocket you. What can be more? Has a kuku paint or when they paint go paint here. Every single thing here. One pocket to Munne. We are talking about more than 3,000 laborers within on this site for over how many months? Now Lolo, except Waka, non-stop. Kahana Lolo here. You must have some do na weba, now one auditorium, now weba na toilet, now weba na roof fence, and the project cannot stop. Because Aluchanka by another phase, Aluchaka by another phase. Job must continue, work must continue in this site, and in this particular plot, Hamwelu. Within the next, all you are going at this site for the next 1 year, 2 years. Aluchabu Hifana Alu here. Can you see that this kind of employment? Remember, we are talking about direct and indirect employment. Up now, I have into permanent employment in terms of maintenance, in terms of lecturers, teaching and non-teaching staff. Say I'm on a university, they are on a secondary school, they are on a primary school, they are on a hospital, they are on a factories, and they all mention them. Shut up and go and sit down. So I don't know how you people sleep. I don't know how you people sleep. What have you done to contribute to the welfare of your people? You have not done anything. If somebody be a pota no amosu emokono nwere ife ya we pota na newi biakwu ndị na-ewasi uje sukelana ngba ka onye aye emehefa ngba bia menki ye meka ifukere n'anya. How can you find somebody you cannot even do quarter of what that person is doing? Look at furnitures, look at wardrobes, look at every single thing, look at the phone. How many thousand mattresses anyị ebute here anyị eje na Ogboete anyị eje na Jos jegote anyị eje na Ogun State jegote ọkwọrị na ala Igbo furnitures niile anyị adị ebe a fittings niile anyị adị ebe a ọkwọrị ụmụnne m na ya alụ ya. What can be more building of economy than this? Ụfọdụ a na-asị ụsọ rụọ factory iwe eru ọrụ na ihe eru ya ama na factory abụrụ sọ nyawa ife na factory can create jobs. It can create jobs, but when it comes to imepe obodo factory wuri n'ime ọfịa ka a na-eji alụ development na-achọrọ ndị mmadụ eji ebe fanọ ebe people nọ in their numbers ka development na-eje. Are you not aware? Ebe na Nnewi enwere ebe enwelu more than 15 to 20 factories plant owned by one person. Chikasim village in Umunnalam. That place ahụnyawo the most developed part na Nnewi. Ebe afiado sections of ebe afiado ebe a na-enwe more movement of people where Bekadu developed ebe a ka anaka gara karịcha ọnụ not Umunnalam. In fact, there are people na Nnewi, more people na Nnewi have visited that area for a long time. Yes, they visited that area for a long time because but afia yes, side the teaching hospital every university teaching hospital people na about that side. Yes, in so many areas na Nnewi movement of people and I can sell more there. Somebody can go to Okofia, see go and a boy hostel. Somebody can go to Akamiri, see go and a boy hostel. But then they go and no one nala is that no only factory more no only shoro non de beside the eba no one nalam side out. I hope na more the right woman nala maybe if no one nalan factory she can do. If you need to very clear. But all those things now contribute at least in way activities naga on. In way activities naga on. We need factories. We need establishment. Where you get money into the pocket of people. Okay, evangelism could be na East here within the. We have not seen any. We have not seen any within the shortest time. We are talking about giving our people billions of naira. A lot of people have become millionaires because of the presence of Evangelist Kobe. He did it in Makana Boko only first spending na is over 1.2 billion in people's pocket. Na pocket Yoruba because every single procurement Onisha, Enugu, Ebenine. You talk about Nkemburishi, na even drug supply and every other supply, both food and even I can make to that facility to Namburishi and in case I continue email and cardinal clearly. Who from an Igbo I see a source even in an Ebujeba. Maintenance and everything. Permanent staffs, temporary staffs, direct and indirect. Who an Igbo I see source even in that. In Norune Pueri. In Norune Pueri. In a coeli. Nanunke. Ngor-Okpala ya do so enormous because imagine we child when university part of it where my factories eba na alo ma mmiri ma eba na alo seraphic whatever if any natural elu eba ahụ ma secondary school ma primary school ma no ya do standard odia ụmụnna anyị n'obodo oyiwo n'ọkanụ na ebe niile ya da akpọ na-atụ ụmụfa ụmụ ha eje na-agụ dia odia nwaanyị sister mommy sisters fellowship nwere na mkpọ ije ebe ahụ fụ ụmụazị esicha obodo oyibo kpọnatacha fụ ụmụazị esicha ugwu Hausa ana ndị Yoruba wee kpọnatacha ha na-agụ akwụkwọ ebe ahụ. Ịgwa m why na ọya dị ememe na ọya dị afịa na-azụ azụ. Who will prefer to go to Port Harcourt and go and buy something? I just in India. Go to Aba when I develop a mini market there. A mini market. Nazu every day. Filling stations are Batala, fast food joint are Batala because now visitors here Dabia. There are people, more people are being Ngor-Okpala within the past 1 year, 2 years than how many people be Ngor-Okpala within the past 7 years. I argue this one, a man who can have a man have going as you. If you know what I'm. What does it take? Jesus Christ have you not seen that Jesus Christ has manifested both physical and spiritually through the ministry and evangelism of Evangelist Ebukobi? What is that? Even if you don't want to take him for his spiritual gift, you have to take him for his spiritual gift, for his physical gift to mankind. The level of humanity in him is overflowing like water. You must benefit in one way or the other. So even if you are not for spirituality, you will be for practicality or reality. Whichever form, they have all manifested through the ministry and evangelism of Evangelist Ebukobi. Maybe Evangelist Ebukobi can God no way go so that let there be light. Light ado. Can you define his ideology of life, different ideology of life he believe through? They have all manifested through the ministry and call of Evangelist Ebukobi. So you don't really, if you don't thank him for the spiritual gift to God, you must have to thank him for physical things God do. If you say life is not spiritual, life is physical, or manifest in ebono. If you say life is more spiritual than physical, or manifest in ebono. So what is it we are not talking here? What is it we are not talking here? Ngumwa enwere uru ibala ụmụnna yo, onweghị uru ibala family gu, obodo ya mụrụ n'ino, ụmụnna ya mụrụ n'ino, family gu inatala they don't care, no effect, no impact. Iji onweru na-achọ ka ịmago nwoke ana Igbo ji eme ọnụ, somebody who has impacted lives among Igbos. Even if you come to his ministry in Lagos, empowerment ni no na-enye ewu ndị Igbo, na onye 1 million, na onye 5 million, na onye 10 million, na onye ifa, na onye ifa, na onye nka, na onye nka, na onye this one, na onye this one on ndị Igbo bayi. More families are living happily, enjoying, and we go breakthrough through the call and ministry of this man. Who are you to Ndigbo? Minus making noise and the other book and cut what impact can we go to your family? If batana family when they wangre, can the money no? If you have not impacted your little family in numbers, yeah, you have not impacted in your community or in your village, you have not done something. You are not fit to come and talk to a man like Evangelist Ebukobi and Igbo man. There are people na Igbo ya watch off a short at half offer. Igbo lose something. Igbo lose something. Yes, Igbo lose something. Action go acho. Umwelifi Igbo lose. I know buy, I know sell. Nkone we mo no phone abia ho. So me sure una constitute na nuisance here and there. So fake nature egwa na ebu bata na Igbo. What is the essence of bring back your money home? Is to bring back your money home, to come and develop home, so that money will eventually end up in people's pocket. That is exactly what Evangelist Ebukobi has represented. You know, a more real estate buildings are no build the economy, because like the laborers are making money. Suppliers not in the market in the building materials are making money. Then people make money. It is a cycle on a revolve like this. Money and circulate. Bring back money. So that I will now imagine ndana de si obodo iwo abia. Esi obodo iwo we bia. We no na Lagos. We na eri ego around Amuwo. E we mechi ife na eme na Ngor-Okpala. He we si obodo iwo we bia. We da na airport do na Igbo ai. We bata Ngor-Okpala. We no na Ngor-Okpala for 2 weeks. 3 weeks. Ụfọdụ n'ime ha na 1 month. O jide $15,000 bia. Ori ocha ya ebe ahụ before we na. Kedu ndị na benefit? Ọkwa n'Igbo. Ọkwa ndị Ngor-Okpala. Of economy buy you with an build. How many thousands and millions of dollars in the money on a weekly and a monthly basis a bunata Lagos and they around the Lagos ebeni. Nyaka actually will ga bata. Ke will ga wonata na ni buy direct. Bia na riga na ni buy. Ona ba na pocket mu no mu nnew. Na asem come and build factory. Itiboribo ofodo ni mu say language you know what they come and build factory. Come and build factory. Itiboribo. Yeah? Tell me a factory in Igbo ye created the kind of employment if I had a Ngor-Okpala ye created even from the first day I conceived with that project till the day that project yado functional. It is endless. No establishment, not even any single one owned by government. When you want to talk about government, talk about collective. When you want to talk about establishment of businessmen like Igbo, you talk about collective before you can get the one and match that one. Or Hong Kong win at East. No single one. Now only got to this part in Kuru. Give honor and praise to whom honor and praise is due. Then you back to your root. And after you will need the obvious anya. Share this video. Only one Ngor-Okpala. Iwe ala wo nwe ke kwensu we wolu na alu olu. Ishoro ka bo nduka Nnewi. Ishoro ka bo nduka Port Harcourt. Ishoro ka bo nduka Aba. Ishoro ka bo nduka Owerri. Ishoro ka bo nu mepe. Ishoro ka bo nu wonsu ukwu nkwu juru bo nu n'ukwu nkwu jubu ukwu akwu jubu nu n'ime bo nu ka bo nu wure ba na aba aka. Ishoro ka ifo ma bata bo nu. Ishoro ka bo nu mepe ka be ndị ọzọ. Ishoro ka enwe individual development bo nu ka individuals locate ebo ishoro bo nu bia wo bata ife do mma bo nu. Ishoro ka your personal interest override the collective interest of your people. That is selfishness. You could have allowed yourself can go to use your way consolidate this legacy and Ngor-Okpala. Be part of that history for posterity will never forget you. Share this video.